Namaskar. I would like to invite again to my channel on a motivational speech. I am going to speak something on organizing human life. We are hodgepodged in many ways. Situation came. Very typical situation like this pandemic. We say that shutdown, that lockdown, and breaking our ways there to go somewhere, and seizing our freedom by the authorities. And I will add here one thing. How can we be little organized and can be protected from that type of criticality of life? So some ideas came to my mind. Our people nowadays never practice, cannot go there with that workaholic situation. Workaholic, making alcoholic more. If you go there with some nuisance in your life, what I said, you alcoholic, can decrease your competence, decrease your courage, decrease your character, and even can bring that pretension in your life and can cause a loss of morality. I remember one thing. We many times give priority to our education, intellectuality, doing hard work there to achieve the target, reaching on to our goal. All these things are there. But somewhere I feel, long 30 years I practiced my teaching there to various categories of students, groups of students. From there I found many of the children, they miss that moral education which is real power in human life. They are procrastinated. They have lost somewhere their courage. If intellectuality or that knowledge is potential, I can say definitely that morality is the real power, wisdom is the real power that can build up our own integrity. You are losing integrity, means you are losing a power. That is that wisdom. We are giving gap to our education. Tomorrow I will do. Let it be to do tomorrow. Keeping postponing every day, every incident, every work, every situation, because little fear is there with us. Why do a human fear? He fears because he has done somewhere that mistake or that or wrong in his life. But person, those who are having that integrity and wisdom, they get sufficient power. I remember one topic. Keeping going on a situation. Two persons were there in one organization, big organization. One joined before 5 years and working dedicatedly. Dedication was there. Dedicatedly there for that organization by cutting number of woods every day. Number of woods. Wood cutting were going on there. Perhaps it was a sawmill, I think. I don't know exactly. And long 5 years he worked. But paid very less from there. From that owner of that, MD of that organization. He was a little discontent. We know that discontent means unhappy. As he was discontent, he was unhappy. He was not content in any sphere of life. So a few days later, another man came there and joined in that organization and started chopping that woods continuously without break. And he was that much speed, even we cannot imagine. And got a sudden rage in his payment. So suddenly a question came to his mind. He wanted to visit that first man, that second man who came there little later, and asked the reason why after long 5 years he could not even get a single raise in his salary, but within 1 year, what magical work he did there in that organization caused raise in his salary. That man said, we human are little stupendous. We are not workaholic. Not making our work holistic. We cannot your insight, the value of our education, there with your work. That is the problem. He said that in every court, after every cutting of the tree, he give a break to his own axe. And that break is not his physical break to his labor or that hard work. It is a break there to sharpen that axe that caused him to cut a number of trees. And he asked that first man, what is the problem with him? He said that long 5 years that axe was not sharpened. So his speed of work was a little low than that second one. He incited some valuable things there, sharpening of your. So continuous reading of your, if you are blocking somewhere to your brain, not sharpening that X type of brain, then value of your education will be deteriorated. So I think we should build up, we should give importance to 6 important things in our life, valuable things in our life. What are that 6 valuable character? If you are losing your character somewhere, your education is not character based, it can give you very low output. Conviction, conviction, the system. Courage is required in education. Students are now discouraged. That's why I said procrastinated. If you are going on postponing certain thing in your life, tomorrow I will do. Tomorrow I will be a doctor. You try today to be a doctor. You start your day from today. You start your day of success from today. Don't keep standing or pending there for tomorrow. Don't make it potential, which is knowledge. Whatever knowledge is there, it is useless if it is not properly being utilized for the betterment of people. Better human system of that people. So you have to add that, wisdom to your life. That's why I said you competence, courage, conviction, commitment. We are not committed to our life. Not committed to students, to our family, our relatives, to our human society. So we are somewhere disorganized. Organizing, I said you, my topic is organizing human life. How can we organize human life? You have to focus on 6 basic areas of life. Don't allow any external forces there to pressurize you or make you weak. That's why I said you another point, commitment. Commit to certain things. I will do. It can only be done by me. That is the commitment. So if you will say, instead of saying like that, if you will say, no, tomorrow I will do. Tomorrow means uncertain. And the past has already been buried. So don't highlight that past activities. Don't remember also. Remember, but don't apply that in your real life. It can bring sorrow and pain, unhappiness, discontentment. Your life cannot be organized if you remember past and start crying there. Mourning, your groaning, all these activities are that negative traits human life. Another one, courtesy. What courtesy is there? Certain courtesy is there in your school, courtesy is there in your family, courtesy is there in your society. We are not possessing that. We are missing that. So courtesy you have to maintain to make your life organized. And the last one I can say, after applying that 5 forces, 5 traits in your life, you will be competent there. Competence is required. Competence is also not there, means life cannot be organized. So, if you like it, you understand it, definitely I think you will appreciate and make your thumbs up there for my speech, valuable speech of today. Some more examples are there with me. I can carry it from I am taking it from various sources and will be more valuable to you to make your life more organized, more systematic, more value added. Thank you. Namaskar.